it's saying in someone when you know, that is exactly what is happening. No way to. Lumba mentioned certain people are. They should be treated nicely even when he's no more.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusiafo from DJ Parkour Rich. I had me a Parkour Rich Studios and subscribe here. But Mozinana ko YouTube now subscribe. Now become part of this family. CCA back to back. It's Bejini Mama one. Now PKB waha PKB I see.
Yes,
shout out to 1,000.
Yeah, shouts to everybody watching. Shouts to that. Thank you.
As I say. Now say we are son. Oh yeah, who? Man kai where you are bet and there. This year we've lost some great personalities. Ozenkan Daddy Lumba or Ken Chinigui, he passed on. And not long ago, so Sarfo Pong, Sarfo Penin, Sarfo Kantanka, Nana Sarfo Kantanka, or king of innovation in Africa, the African star. No, so we're training you Shaban. Na Damu kofi and kofi bianke ye wayan kofun po 100 like one yan kofa wa pet kasa bebre another man so baba one yama ho but oya ne nyimpa wuwu na chiri no nsem bebre na we have seen letters circulating on social media because of the legal integrity so say include no women inti nye court security we no go talk plenty yanko bebre but me feel there it be too sad the Lumba it's say Lumba na nyom me kramo nyom na most of the things are Lumba kawa nyom mun say it say in someone when you that is exactly what is happening no way to Lumba mentioned certain people are they should be treated nicely even when he's no more. And unfortunately, from conversations not recording, I de busia fana fan wonka. But debia me mami wa sembi okede sa fana fan kan on chede outside of Fumba fana wonkon kedi. You understand? So PKB, I don't know what you think. We have seen videos from Kojo Sarfo Jr. We have seen letterheads from Ebusiafo from Sarfo Kantanka. Don't call forward today. Don't deal with this person. Deal with this person at your own risk. Lumba na side of Suza Wara Kenyan there. Other parts even when you're aware of the dates now. What's
the wife, the first wife.
Yeah.
Madam Akosia Sarfo I don't know why we're Germany,
Yeah.
According to they didn't even know about the funeral date. I said December uncle was a basono. Madam Sewa said, Onim Hoshi, Onim date no she into Siciano. And according to German laws, no, Omo for bigamy. So bigamy is when, like, if you marry first, the second marriage is void. In Siciano, she's calling for injunction on the date, or just a funeral committee, no, Omo possible because they didn't know until this news came on the social media. Say, how can you even do funeral arrangements without the consent of the first wife? No matter whatever transpired, they were legally married, at least they should be in the know. So Madam Sewa Fosu and Emmanuel was there, Charlie, they are taking the issue to court legally and they will try to make sure that the funeral can hold on till they come to a consensus with the funeral committee members. Charlie, they're crazy.
I have some area who be our bonnet bread day, while Bonyom was a jijin kofu when one and yom and kofu wiki be our ye. Nasanamia friend and oil dog on all cadan. She manso our tune, manso watching a tie that chewing please.
And also Germany,
yeah,
also about down to Ghana.
As I say, and so with all due respect, Ebusiafo, Yama, babya. Abadan yan fonto baby osade ye de second ye de 20 yan fonto ni ya ma Charles Kojo Fosu na Sarfo Kantanka one corner one kada because Lumba kawa ne yum ne mu there. So one jano kwani ye na wa madam to kwana da minya mesi sia. Obada in saman twen we kwagina nkwenti. Inti yasrawan. We should allow their peaceful soul to rest in peace. Na yens jai a no one chade ye wo kroma ha a yilba other investments. We are thinking about donations. Now come on, and these videos, me ba oye pain I won't change and they say what moving they ampa. Now what the means to bury me? I won't see him. Na da mo man so jenjani na ontwom aba aba na nyimpa na robezin da hen wo wiase na nwom bebre so wo ho ka ebusua de wo wachirika o na ebusua de wo dofun men kam obiara but zaman kan de za wo be ya afana wo betena fom a wenya peace. That is what we are looking for. Na so ya aba won eyi. We want to come and support them at the funeral. But if they are rants like this on the side of Sarfo, Kantanka, Lumba and all that, Charlie, or some way be P. Yes, sir, hey, I can away to the wise, no enough. But in the meantime, I catch all the passasa. My friend Gaba, assassin, don't go me. In your sasa in Suwado, in your sasa langard for. Chideke de dra na akwa asase do nya asase oyere enyi soja fokodo asase no woman kesi me here wo friend na nampon ville na asase no oye 80 by 80 no wotwetwa woton ebotum ato 10 ato asase no start from 15,000 Ghana cedis asase 15,000 Ghana cedis etum koto watch etum koto perfume 15,000 cedis na asase no entum nto baby edi wutiri botton or you're very, very important. Into Bomozina na pass as on there when a nampon villa woman can see. What flying or they do, what phone Amazon or they be. Bomozina, aircraft for promo code, Paco Rich. But so do come. Easy. No be lie. Or you true. Mammy man send me a selection will call. My one star call, my crown.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Basia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.